Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, we are going to dive into a super exciting and highly useful Python project. So guys, have you ever wanted to remove the background from an image but did not know where to start? Well, you are in the right place. Using Python and a couple of powerful libraries, I will show you how to easily remove the background from any image in just a few lines of code. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced programmer, this tutorial is perfect for you. So let's get started. So before proceeding further, make sure you install this remove background library. So basically this is pip rembg. This library we will be using to remove the background from our image. Alright. So I will show you. So guys, this is the bird image you can see here. So basically I am going to remove its background and just capture just the image of the bird. Alright, so let's close the window for now. Alright, so I have already installed this rembg library. So if you don't have it, please first install it and then follow the guide further. So first I need to use from rembg, which we discussed right now, import remove. Alright, so guys, basically this line imports the remove function from the rembg library, or I can say that remove background library. So basically this remove background library is specifically designed to remove background from images using machine learning models. Alright, and after saving this, I am going to again use this PIL's library. I am going to import this image. So guys, basically also this line imports the image class from the Python image library called PIL, which is now maintained under the name below. The image class allow us to open, manipulate and save many different image file formats. Alright, and after importing these necessary libraries, I am going to create an image function, and in this image function I am going to insert the path of my image file. Alright, so let's copy the path. So here we have it is in JPG format. Let's just copy it from here and paste it here, and I can see that bird.jpg. Alright, so it is in JPG format, as we can see that .jpg and bird. Make sure you don't do any spelling mistake, otherwise it won't load the image properly. So basically the raw string R ensures that the file path is correctly interpreted, including any backslashes. The image file is loaded into the image variable as an image object. Now let's move further. I am going to create this R variable, and now I am going to remove the background from this image. Alright, so guys, basically this line applies the remove function from the rembg library or remove background library to the image stored in image variable. The remove function processes the image and returns a new image object with background removed. The result is stored in the variable R. After image is being after the background is being removed, I am going to save it into the r.save method. And I am going to save this file into this folder. So I am going to just copy the path from here, and again I am going to use the raw string which we discussed earlier, and I'm going to name it bird.png. So guys, basically make sure that you do not use any other format. You have to use PNG in the output image, or I can say that the processed image, in order to save this file into your system, because if you do not use this PNG image, it will generate an OS error, something like this. I have tried this before, so I'm telling you that the requirement of this remove background library is that the output image must be saved in the PNG format. This line saves the processed image to a new file in PNG format. Alright, the save method from the image file is used, and the output file path is provided as a raw string to ensure the path is correctly interpreted. So that's it. Let's run the program to see if it is working fine. There is an error that's saying bird.jpg. Unicode error. It is saying that the yes, basically for the raw string I need to use the R inside the parenthesis. That is why it is generating this Unicode error, because it cannot interpret the path of the image properly. Now let's run this program again. Basically this is taking some time initially, because it is processing and running the machine learning models to remove the background image. So we do not need to use those machine learning methods thanks to this remove background library. We can just use it. Let's see what it is saying. Value error, it is saying. Yes guys, I need to open this image. Basically it is saying that value error because I'm just converting the image type into a string. So I need to use here the image.open method in order to open the image. Open method is used to open the image as an object and save it into the image variable. So I need to use it. Now again run this program. Now it has been executed correctly. Let's see if it is present into the code. Now you can see that it has just generated into the PNG format, and let's see the result. Now guys, you can see that all the background from the bird has been removed and only the bird is remained. So it is an effective method to remove the background from an image, any image. You can see that it is a colorful bird and it chooses the background specifically to be removed, not the object. So guys, that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you now feel confident in using Python to remove background from images. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more exciting tutorials and projects. Do not forget to hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a new video. If you have any questions or run into any issue, leave a comment down below and I will be happy to help. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one. Happy coding.